In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to Etsy with this simple guide for 2025. Whether you're an entrepreneur expanding your reach or just starting out, linking these two platforms can streamline your sales process, offering a more seamless management of your shop's inventory and sales on both fronts. Let's jump into the steps. Begin by heading over to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, make your way to the Apps section. This is your doorway to bringing a wealth of functionalities into your Shopify store. In the search bar, type in Etsy and watch as the Etsy app appears in the search results. Click on this result to take the next step. You'll be prompted to install the app, and a follow-up prompt will likely ask you to confirm the installation. Make sure to click to confirm. This second prompt is crucial, as it officially completes the integration process for the app. Now that the Etsy app is installed on your Shopify dashboard, it's time to select a plan that aligns with your business needs. Typically, these plans differ in terms of features and pricing, so take a moment to carefully consider which option suits you best. There's no need to rush through this decision. Think about the scale of your business and keep your budget in mind while making this choice. After choosing and setting up your plan, the next step is to log into your existing Etsy account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one on Etsy first. The process is pretty straightforward and involves entering some basic business and personal information. For those already equipped with an account, logging in should be simple. Ensure you have your account details nearby to facilitate a smooth login process. Now that your Etsy account is linked, you can start using it in conjunction with your Shopify store to add products. Efficiently utilizing this integration allows you to manage your shop's products, handle orders, and oversee customer engagement, all from a single central hub. As you add products, make the most of the synchronization features that keep your listings current across both platforms. This ensures that any changes made in your Shopify store are automatically reflected in your Etsy shop, saving you time and minimizing the chance of human error. Whenever possible, monitor your integrated platforms to ensure that everything stays current and operates smoothly. If you encounter any issues, both Shopify and Etsy offer robust support systems, including community forums and customer support channels, to assist with any troubleshooting you might require. And that's all there is to it, a straightforward method to connect your Shopify store with Etsy. This integration can significantly enhance your e-commerce operations, providing more exposure while consolidating management tasks to streamline your daily activities. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success as you expand your business.